Another 671 Detroit. A couple of transmissions up here. 471 Detroit in the back. I'll take a walk around the other side of this trailer too. Third members. Gigantic transmission, probably a Road Ranger again. International power unit. A Detroit power unit. Caterpillar engine, I think. A couple radiators. A couple more radiators. Some tracks for a Bobcat. Can't actually walk up the other side of this trailer since it's sitting right up against this box trailer. There's a lot of iron sitting around on it. Now that's a brush hog. Old International Paystar. They do have their own rollback truck sitting here. The International 4700. I would guess that's a 20-foot bed. It does have a wheel lift as well. What a beautiful chunk of property. There's a massive creek that runs along the backside of this property. Little chunk of heaven. Well, that does it for the gravel plant walk around, and on to the million-dollar question that everybody wants to know. What did I buy? You loyal subscribers out there that watch every one of these videos and know how they typically turn out will be surprised, maybe even oddly proud of me for the fact that I didn't buy a single thing. The reasoning behind this type of video is to not prove that I can drag something else home. is to try to prove to everybody out there watching right now that this old iron is still out there. The trick of it is that you have to go and find it. I plan on doing quite a bit more of these videos in the future, so hopefully that sounds like something you'll enjoy. The commenters are fantastic in these videos, but I do ask, instead of maybe a kind comment directed towards me, drop down the comment section and say a special thank you to the property owner for letting me film on his property, taking me for a ride in that old Ford dump truck. He's a fantastic fella for letting me do that, so I can't thank you enough. But as always, just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over, how about you go outside and work on something? My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.